Is that a weave? Is that your real hair? Bundles, bundles, bundles. Hit that plug up for the bundles.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Alexis here, and I'm here with another YouTube video. Okay, y'all, so welcome back. Just got a notification. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna get into this quick, cute, springy vibes hairstyle. I mean, it may not be springy to y'all, but there's colorful accessories, so it's giving me springy vibes. So if y'all are interested, stay tuned and keep watching. Now, the hair that I'm performing this hairstyle on is from VIPWIGS. I do not remember the complete hair specs, so let me not even say it before I mess it up. But this is from VIPWIGS, like I stated before. I do think it's like 22 or 24 inches, but all of the hair information will either be on this side or this side, so just take a look at that, and it'll also be in the description box as well. So this is how I've been wearing this wig lately, because I don't really want to cut layers into it, but I don't feel like having hair like kind of in my face. And I was feeling the middle part, and I did a defined middle part, so I've been feeling that. So we're gonna switch it up and do a side part, and let's get into it. I did go ahead and stuck on my nose ring. Do my part off camera, so it's a little curved, and then I'm bringing it back to back here. If you guys can see, yeah, you can see. Okay, so all I did was brush out this front section here, so I can kind of brush it down with a slick back brush. That's what I call a slick back brush. Don't ask me about this band, because I don't never take them off. After I buy them, I just snatch the little tag off and start using it. Now I'm just using water, and I'm going to use the olive oil eco styler to kind of slick down the hair, and then I'm going to go in with some Got to Be Glued as well. So I'm going to do this in sections like I normally do, but first I just wanted to kind of like mess with this a little bit to kind of see where my part is actually going to be. So because I had a middle part already, honestly I'm just gonna take this little section here. It's like right next to the middle part, and I'm gonna spray this section first. And I'm doing this the same method as if, and add eco. Now I'm adding eco all around this time. This side isn't going to be a problem because this side was already going this way, so that's not going to be an issue. So we'll worry about that last, but we're going to go in with the brush and just try to slick everything down. Now you'll see me starting to brush towards my face, because I want this to be like a swoop look. So brushing all of that down, that back. On my forehead just a little bit, not all the way. And I'm gonna tuck that behind my ear. Now my wig's coming up a little bit on this side, because I've had this wig on for a while now, like a couple days. So it's getting a little old, and I didn't do anything but install it with Got to Be Glued, because I didn't plan on keeping it on that long. But it's all goody. Nothing that some Got to Be Glued can't fix. So we got that all swooped over, and you just want to flatten out everything and bring it all to a ponytail. And I want to do a low pony. Grab my scrunchie and tie it up. And if the swoop starts messing up a little bit, that's fine, because we have accessories that we're finna use to beautify it up. But honestly, the hardest part to this hairstyle is probably the ponytail. So you see I got a little lump right there. That's fine, don't really care about that. I'm gonna reapply this side with the Got to Be Glued off camera. That's not a big deal. So I'm gonna take this Got to Be Glued free spray and just spray it over and kind of just slick it into the pony so that everything is laying flat and you don't have any flyaways. And then it also adds like a shine to the ponytail as well. Now for these accessories that I said I was adding, I have these bobby pins here. They're different colors, and I got them from the beauty supply store, and they only cost me 99 cents. So you probably can find these at your local beauty supply. But this is what I'm going to be using. So I'm just gonna try and wing it. Now my mirror is literally like this close to me, but you guys just can't see it. And I'm gonna be looking in here to kind of figure out where exactly I want them to be. So I'm gonna go in with, I think I'm gonna do blue. I had a style that I wanted to do, but now that I'm on camera and my phone is nowhere to be found, I really don't remember what that style was. So guys, this is what I came up with. I think I'm gonna add a purple one to the bottom, and then yeah, believe it or not, this took a lot of concentration. For real, all jokes aside. But so what I did, I took the bottom one and I stuck it up, and then the second one I take it and stick it up as well, but the opposite way, like in the opposite direction. Like so. And then we got I'm gonna go fix this side, and I'm gonna tie up the front, and then we're gonna come back and define this ponytail. Okay, and if you're anything like me, your wig is not laid in the back, and I don't have the comb in because it gets on my nerves. So what I'm going to do is take a chunk from the bottom of the ponytail And I'm gonna take this Demon brush, run it through that piece of hair. Spray a little water. I'm gonna take it and start, where should I start? I'm gonna start towards the end of the scrunchie and wrap it around flat. And I just really hope and pray that you guys can see what I'm doing. Yeah, you can. Okay. Okay, so it kind of gives the illusion that you're trying to go for the poofy ponytail and then the thick, like slick ponytail holder thing. And I'm going to take a bobby pin and secure it. And here we have the finished look. This cute ponytail with the sleek, I don't even know what to call this, sleek like tie, I don't know, with colorful springy colored bobby pin design on there. But yeah, I'm feeling it. I think it's cute. I'm finna go get something to eat with Nisha. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, easy tutorial using VIPWIGS. Like I said, if you guys enjoyed this and you want me to do a bobby pin springy hairstyle for natural hair, comment below and let me know. But I love you guys and I will see you in the next one. Mwah.
Mine, I bought it, it's 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 mine.